Hello viewers, um, this is the SWOT analysis of MMM Nigeria, and I am Olaiwola Oluwadamilare is my name. I am here to just direct this. Now let's begin. We begin with SWOT. SWOT, what does it mean? S for strength, W for weakness, O for opportunities, and then T for threats. All right, so we begin with strength. Strength. What is our strength in MMM? We are the first and the largest mutual fund aid society, bridging the gap between the rich and the poor. The ability to help others, we have that. You see, you give and get rewarded for giving, breaking the chain of financial apocalypse. MMM, not a company. Okay, that's one of our strengths. MMM is not a company. You can manage your time and money, financial freedom, and remember that there is no boss. Okay, now globalization. You cannot clear MMM from the universe. We are all over the world. Okay, now large term financial and residual income. You get to build your own system of earning and use it to build a career. Those are our strengths. Yes, you build your own system and earn for yourself. All right, now right knowledge of the ideology of MMM Nigeria. You get the right knowledge. Okay, special presentations and seminars are being organized to educate people about MMM Nigeria. All right, we go to the next, which is weakness. What is our weakness? You know, we are in the modern age, and the first and the greatest of all is computer illiteracy. Okay, a lot of people are illiterate in computer. Some members have no knowledge of the computer system, and it is going to be a little difficult to become a member in MMM without the knowledge of computer. Okay, another weakness is panic in the system. MMM could go down if there is a panic in the system. This has happened before, South Africa and some other places. But thank God, because of the system that we have. Now, hackers break into the system. Yeah, hackers can break into the system. They can break into an account if not properly secured. All right, you have that. Then there is no guarantee. MMM gives no guarantee since every participant manages their personal office by themselves. So MMM has no guarantee on whatever is going on in your PO. All right, accounts can be blocked. Yes, MMM has the right to block an account that is not following due process. MMM has that right to do that. All right, we'll go to the next. Okay, which is opportunities. What are our opportunities? What are the opportunities MMM gives? The ideology, which is a fair and financial system. You get that in MMM. And there is a peer-to-peer donation exchange. No central account where your money goes to, but to a member in the community. Okay, you get that. That's an opportunity. And then you get trust. A member donates and work the system with honesty and truthfulness. Okay, that's trust. That's an opportunity. Also, changing the world. Every member contributes to the growth of the community. How? By giving and getting. Okay, you give and then you get back. All right, the next is free education. Presentations are conducted and members are taught the ideology of the system with no charges. All these presentations are put in place to educate one another. All right, we go to the next, which is threats. You see, we have threats. Okay, hackers' action can be a threat. Accounts can be hacked if not guided well. Okay, and also false information, news leading participants to panic and withdraw from the system. This also can cause a threat in the system. Lack of confidence in the system. Lack of confidence in the system. Participants can lose confidence in the system when they hear other people's false thoughts and action. All right. Also, panic. I've talked about this before. This is the greatest threat. Okay, this is the greatest threat of MMM. Let's fight it together. All right, that's his SWOT. All right. In conclusion, MMM has come to put an end to our financial apocalypse through the power of giving. Remember that givers never lack, and also remember that when you give, it shall be given unto you. Together, we change the world. Thank you very much. I remain Olaiwola Oluwadamilare. Thank you and God bless.